Hey guys, welcome to another video. And how are you doing? Iliora, aren't you supposed to be sleeping? This girl. Welcome to another vlog, guys. And today is Sunday. Today's Sunday. Yeah, I think so. Sometimes I just forget what date it is. Today's Sunday. And where's this boy? We'll actually be going somewhere later today, and we'll be coming later, I think. But first of all, I want to work on my boy hair because tomorrow is Monday. He'll be going to school. I normally do whatever I want to do. I normally wash his hair. I'm gonna be using this curling cream that I got on Amazon. It said, as I am born curling for babies and children. The review was quite good. Curling defining jelly soft hold, contained vegetable glycerin and Jamaica black castor oil. So I bought this for my girl, and I've been using Council product for my boy hair. And I said to myself, I'm gonna try something different for my baby girl hair. Although we don't have hair yet, don't worry, the hair will definitely come out. But first thing first, I want to try this on my son hair to see how it's going to hold. I'm gonna first of all detangle. I'll be using this detangling cream. This product is really nice to detangle curly hair, curly wigs. Really nice and happy.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I